folks, welcome back. Glad to be here with you again. So today I've got a new challenge. Can you believe this? One of my subscribers, Steve, shout out Steve, wrote to me in a private message on Telegram and asked, David, what would you do with $50? Just $50. By the way, quick reminder, you can also write to me on Telegram. I have an open channel where I share strategies, live sessions and updates, and a private community where we go deeper into the trades and strategies and much more. But back to the challenge. Steve's question got me thinking. If I had $50 left from a big account, I'd probably go all in, aggressively trying to recover. But if I only had 50 as my main deposit, so I need to build it step by step. So today we'll test exactly this idea, how I will build this deposit step by step. Also, let me remind you that if you will watch this video until the end, the very end, you will have a special bonus, personal promo code, which work with my links to have more deposit, what you will even add to pocket option. $100, you will have 150. 1,000, 1,500. And just watch till the end. I will tell you all the truth. For now, let's go to trade. Okay, my first thought was to use my proven impulse sniper strategy and scalp with $10 trades, but instead I'll use the same logic and indicators on 1 minute. Expires safer. If you're just starting with $50, I think it's a good idea. Okay, indicators as usually, Bollinger Band 10 and 2 without middle line. You already can watch my previous video about this strategy. So it will be the same strategy what I use for 5 seconds, but I will start with 1 minute. And also will add EMA, moving average, with 5. So it will be like our trend filter. That's it. We'll look for impulse bounces from the Bollinger Band. Adjust that's our entry. First trade for $10. Let's see how it goes. I will reverse the trades because 1 minute it's a bit long for you guys. If I don't have interest to make content, guys, I'll just trade and live my best life. But, you know, I really like to do this. I really like to share with someone. I also believe in karma. Maybe it's also will help me on some part of my life. So first trade, $10, strategy work, profit. Great start. So remember, where we're looking for bounces when price touch the band and rejects. The EMA shows overall trend, direction. If it's too steep, we skip the trade. Don't also try to trade everything what you see. Okay, now I want to open for $29. We'll trade now, 29, keeping 30 aside in case. If it trade losses, we'll use the martingale multiplier, of course. I usually go x2, 2.5, something like this. Remember that no strategy is 100%. We try to do it better and better. This one, for example, for me, about 80%. This is the profit one. If someone will promise you 100%, go far from this guy. 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! I love this feeling a lot, guys. I hope you also love this feeling when you're in profit. So, we're going well. 2 trades, 2 from 2 wins. Well, here, as you can see, the candle already crossed the border, and this is the sign for us to open trade in opposite direction. I open trade for $36. Reminder, we start from 50. Not usually for me. Usually, I have a balance with 50K, you know. Let me try it. So it's okay, it's okay. My trade is my trade. My daily trades in a Telegram channel for YouTube, I try to make more experimental content, sometimes. Oof! Wow! Guys, we just passed 100. It's a solid first goal. Believe me, the goals and your steps, this is the most important part when you trade. It's even in life, you know, like when you have the goals, it's very important to hit the goals. But in trades, it's especially important when you have a low budget. For example, now we have 50 from beginning, now our goal is 100. After this, maybe 200, 300, maybe 1000. Who knows? Who knows? Important part is just to hit your personal goals, guys. I like everything what's going on this market. Oh, very close, but we in a profit. Wow. Oh yeah, this is another signal, another impulse. We already good. I start to open for $50. Despite the uptrend, Bollinger rejection signal is clear. That's why I call my strategy Impulse Sniper, Impulse Hunter. Also, you can watch the previous video about this. They're about catching impulse when price reject these Bollinger Band lines, right? One of my favorite indicator, by the way. Well, that's great. That's great. We're already on 200. Second goal, hit it. Wow, look, perfect position, potential impulse. Let's just wait a bit. When you trade, guys, patience is everything. Patience, money management, and your stress control. For me, it's top 3 rules when you trade. As you can see, it's not that perfect. So we open 2 trades for 50-50. So now it's 100 in the gain. And as you can see, the bullish trend is quite strong here. But I still do believe in this. We're going all in, guys. Adding 101 trade. This is our all-in, but confident in the impulse bonds. Still under the strategy. It's good return, at least 50. Came back. It's always not a good feeling, you know, when your trade going opposite direction from your strategy. Trading is just a trading. It is how it is. We're waiting. Whew, it was important. 244 now. Balance. Wow. Okay, new setup. Opening 50 again. We're still in a plus, but we was so close. Oh, this all-in. If you guys play poker sometime, you understand this feeling when you go all-in. But without all-ins, you never win the championship, right? You never win the money. Well, here is the same thing. It's 150 in the gain. We're waiting. I opened this trade to cover the losses and also to hit the new step. If you don't have balance, guys, please don't go there. It's risky. Start from small amounts, $1, $2. You can do the same, like how I use 50, you can use 5. Or you can have 500. You can have 500. It's not a big amount. For some of my friends, even 5,000 or 50K is not big money. It's like $50 for Steve, for example. I understand this, and it's okay. The main thing here is to win rate more than 50%, 80% win rate of the strategy. Wow. From after all my testings. Wow. We're going okay. Another $50 trade now. We're going in sell position. We do believe that bears here will be stronger than bulls. Someone buy, someone sell. Our goal is to catch the impulse when it's possible. That's it. Well, it's another win. 332. Wow. So let me increase size to 70. I think it's okay. Let me pick the pair for this. Okay. Here looks like potential impulse. 70 and then 100 now in the gain. Both rates in sell position. In downward trend. So, whoa. First win. This is important. This is important. And now it's 100. Guys, I have the same emotion if I trade 1,000, you know, like if I have 1,000 or 500, the same emotions. Wow. That's why I love challenges, you know, like, because it's more than just trades, it's like experiments. By the way, profitably bought trades up to 472, now even 488. Well, I see another strong impulse, but also really strong trend. It's dangerous here to open. And also, especially, I want to open for 150 now. I want to go bigger. I can afford it, you know. I'm starting with 50 and now we're going well. Well, 150 now. Based on strategy, based on impulse. Waiting. Whoa. Yeah. 288 profit. Very good. I love it. Winner, chicken dinner. 150. Trade. Sell position based on the impulse. Maybe I was too fast about this. Maybe it's early decision, but I think it's time to open 250. Same direction, but it will be balanced there, balanced the trading, because based on this strategy, it's supposed to go down, but it's not that simple. Looks like my first trade. It's a minus. It's good to stay open. Whoa, guys. Let's go all in again. What can I say? I do believe in this strategy. It's time to go all in again. It's always difficult to make the decision like this. But what we can do, the more risk, the more profit. Always like this. First balance, 474. And now we're waiting for our all-in trade, 225. Oh, yes. Such a good feeling, guys. Such a good feelings. Wow. 899. Whoa. The clean wins bring balance higher. So, new goal, 1,000. Okay, now I believe in myself a lot. Let's go for 1,000. Three trades now. $99 each. Let's do it. Let's do this. Same strategy, just impulse, just bounce from the border of Bollinger Bands indicator. Even moving average show us downward trend. We're going opposite using the impulse. Three trades now. Why three? Because there's different points. Whoa, guys, 380 plus 982 on the balance from 50. Can you imagine? Well, we can stop, but you know, our last goal is 1,000. I really want it. Let's do this. Let me find another position. We will do this. I told you. Hey, let's go. Okay, 100 trades, and I will add also another 200 because this is better entry points for me. First one was a bit earlier than I need, but it's okay. This is a great experiment, great challenge, guys. Wow. I hope you enjoy the video now. Watch until the end. I will tell you how to add more money on your balance. That's 100% proven information. I really love this session. From 50, wow. Whoa, plus? Another plus. Whoa, we up from 50 to 1,066. Whoa. I think it's enough. Tomorrow I will just trade for myself for my limits. So guys, that's $50 challenge. We grew a $50 deposit into 1,066 in one trading session. Wow! Now, as promised, use my promo codes through the links in the description in pinned comment to get a 50% deposit bonus on your third deposit. Message me on Telegram and you will even have bigger, 60%, I can promise for you. You can practice with the bonus, your first tradings, you can cover your balance with no risk. It's a good idea. Don't forget, I run now the 2 Telegram channels. One is open Telegram for everyone. We can share some information. I share my daily trading there, strategies, settings, moments from my private life. But I also have closed community for real traders, and we do have some deeper conversation there about your trades, strategies. Thank you so much for watching. I see the audience growing every week, and that motivates me to keep creating these videos. Steve, special thank to you for this idea. What can I do with $50 deposit? Yes, as you can see, we can do something with this. Well, guys, see you in the next video. Let's stay in touch. Let's make some great trader community, help each other to make more money. And yes, I'm really happy to share with you some of content like this. See you soon, and guys, stay sharp, happy trading, and live in peace.